Hi, this video is the FUE hair transplant restoration surgery result. 1 year post-op with before and after photo by Dr. Diep. And we harvest 3,053 grafts. And this client, actually, he's a physician himself, being a specialist. He's a GI specialist. But the result, actually, he had a result around 3 months. It's pretty rare. And normally it takes a year for it to fully grow, but but he reported to me around 3 to 4 months. He has excellent coverage, excellent density, and it came in. But this is 10 months follow-up. He actually, happy to be in town and have some free time, so he flew in, allowed me to show the audience what it looked like. I really thank you for allowing me to show the audience. Again, he actually, with the past procedure, he had an FUE done, and with poor density. So the surgeon, the previous doctor, was not the one who manually harvested the hair graft. He actually used some kind of device, machine to do it. Again, if you want to have the best density, you tend to go to the FUE specialist, the client, the doctor who manually harvested himself. And he or she, if they say yes, then they tend to harvest the most healthiest roots. They are the FUE specialist. And at harvesting the FUE manually, it would take around 6 to 8 hours to do it. Now the total surgery is around 12 hours, but 6 to 8 hours to harvest the hair graft. There's quite a few tips that he mentioned to me. Number one, to tell the audience that he did not use any products, no topics, no derma match, or none of that stuff. This is all his natural hair. Number two, he mentioned about the temple, and for him, I actually brought his temple around 1 inch on both sides. He actually went to another doctor and to mention about bringing his temple, but other clinics do not want to do that because the temple is very difficult to do, and it took me many years to master the art of creating temple. And again, as you know, I'm known for a natural hairline, and if I don't bring the temple, you're just gonna have a really low hairline with a wide forehead, and it's still gonna look abnormal. You don't want to do hairline too high too, it draws attention. And so I'm going to show the audience what it would look like now, before, and so just get an idea. So that's the result with the past surgery. And again, it's not by an FUE specialist. This doctor in the past, he actually used a device to harvest the hair graft out manually, and thus had poor density because he couldn't harvest the healthiest roots. For me, I'm an FUE specialist, and I manually harvest hair graft one at a time. Only the FUE specialist can do that, and then that's why it will give you better density. Because it doesn't matter how great the technician put the hair graft in, but if you don't have a healthy roots, you're not going to have density at all. And we lower his hairline, and excellent density. And the right hand side, you can see we lower the hairline, we bring the temple as well. And again, you see tiny mini plugs from the past one, but again, and with poor density from the previous FUE surgery, and you see poor density on top as well. And look at that, one surgery with my work, and you see, and we brought in his temple, and again, we brought in his temple, lower the hairline, and he had a poor surgery in the past, you see that. And this is a year later with my work with excellent coverage, excellent density, but the temple is really came in nice. And again, he actually mentioned to me that he went to see other doctor, and not many people want to work on the temple because it's very difficult to work with, and it took me quite a bit of years to master this, the temple and the top view, as well. Okay. So this is his hair, and it's natural, and I'm going to comb through so to let the audience know that there's no topic, no gimmick. This is all his real hair, and you can see how natural, nice zigzag and all that stuff is going on. And again, it normally takes a year for it to fully grow, but he had a result by 3 or 4 months. And I found out that clients tend to use A-cell, tend to get the result a little bit faster. If you can turn your head to the right for me. Perfect. Turn to the left a little bit. Perfect. You can go straight at me. A little bit more. Look down. Look up. Okay, look. So this is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery result. Thank you.